Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 19th August 2025, Nifty Index opened gap up by more than 300 points and the early momentum made it to cross the psychological 25k marks. However, it witnessed some profit booking and sunk to 24,850. It recovered midday but again gave up in the second half of the session and closed with gains of around 250 points. It formed a small-bodied bearish candle on the daily frame but has negated the lower highs formation of the last 6 weeks and is making higher lows from the last 5 trading sessions. India VIX was slightly down at 12.34 levels. Nifty put-call ratio marginally decreased to 1. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,400 to 25,300, while immediate range is in between 24,600 to 25,100. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 403 crores, while DIIs were also net buyers worth 4,239 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 9.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,850 for the next up move towards 25,250 levels, while support can be seen at 24,850 and 24,700. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,555 for an up move towards 56,500, while on the downside, support can be seen at 55,250. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Maruti, Hindalco, Ashok Leyland, TVS Motor, Hero MotoCorp, Uno Minda, L&T Finance and M&M. While some weakness could continue in HALE, HPCL, Nuvama Wealth, PFC and ITC. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.